Hello everyone, today I will show you how to get Threads badge on Instagram. And here's how it's done. First, open Instagram and tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. Under your name, you'll see a Threads icon which shows your Threads number, for example, at JC Sakamura Abiar. To get the badge, head to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Threads. Be careful not to download the Purple Threads app, which isn't affiliated with Instagram. Install official Threads by Instagram app. Once installed, open the app and sign up using your Instagram account. After you have done that, the Threads badge will automatically appear on your Instagram profile. When you go back to Instagram, you'll see the badge indicating your Threads number. This temporary badge lets your followers know you are on Threads, and they can tap it to visit your Threads profile, where they can see your threads, replies, and followers. That is everything you need to know about how to get Threads badge on Instagram. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.